Namaskar to all. I, Pratibha Chaudhary, IRS, Additional Director of Income Tax, Publicity, Directorate of Public Relation, Publication and Publicity, Central Board of Direct Taxes, New Delhi. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to another informative and special episode of Samvaad. Friends, today we have come up with a very important informative series on the topics of exemptions under the Income Tax Act. In this special series, we will be covering 8 crucial topics related to exemption provisions and their practical implications. We are honored to have with us today a distinguished guest, Shri B. Bala Krishna, IRS. We heartily welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir is an IRS officer of 2002 batch and is currently serving as the Commissioner of Income Tax Exemptions, Hyderabad. Sir has rich and diverse experience of income tax and worked over 23 years in the department. In his present role as CIT Exemptions in Hyderabad, he has led numerous outreach programs for stakeholders and organized extensive capacity building exercises for JAOs and FAOs, especially in the light of the rollout of new provisions. Sir has also held key positions across various verticals and worked in investigation division, admin, nodal officer to the Honorable Election Commission of India and received with his team Best Election Practices Award 2018. Sir, we welcome you and thank you very much, sir, for giving us time.
Thank you, Pratibha. And I also thank the Directorate Publicity for giving me this opportunity.
Sir, what are the different types of penalties attracted in case of the violation notices?
Penalty under Section 271 AAE. If any benefit is given to the specified persons, which is a violation as per the Section 13(1)(c) of the Income Tax Act or 21st provision to the Section 1023(c), then penalty of 100% of the income applied for such violation. And if the same violation is repeated, a penalty of 200% can also be imposed. Next is penalty under Section 272A 2E. If any trust or institution fails to furnish the returns of income, which is required as per Section 139(4)(a) or 139(4)(c) of the Act, penalty is liable at the rate of 500 rupees per day for every day during which the failure continues. And the next penalty is 272A 1D. If the trust or institution fails to furnish the compliances to the notices issued under Section 143(2) or 142(1), a penalty is liable at the rate of 10,000 rupees for each such default. Then the penalty under Section 271(B). If the registration is cancelled and exemption is denied and the SSC has not got its accounts audited, then penalty proceedings under Section 271(B) are attracted depending on the gross receipts of the SSC. Penalty under Section 270A. Penalty proceedings under Section 270A either for underreporting or for the misreporting, then the penalty liable is from 50% to the 200%.
Sir, under which circumstances are penalty provision attracted in the case of trust and institutions?
In respect of the trust or institutions, penalty provisions are attracted in the following cases. Every trust or institution approved under Section 80G(5)(8) or research association or the university approved under Section 35(1) must file Form 10BD. After filing Form 10BD, the trust or institution must issue a certificate to the donation in Form 10BE to each donor. Both Form 10BD donation statement and Form 10BE donation certificate must be furnished or issued on or before 31st May of the subsequent financial year. Where the trust or institution fails to furnish the statement of the donation, that is Form 10BD, or fails to issue the certificate of the donation in Form 10BE, penalty provisions under Section 271K would attract. The minimum penalty in such cases would be Rs 10,000 and its maximum penalty liable is up to 1 lakh rupees.
Sir, what are the other situations where penalty provisions are applicable in the case of trust and institutions? Kindly explain.
Where the registration of the trust or institution is cancelled or withdrawn or exemption is denied for a particular assessment year, tax has to be levied at maximum marginal rate as per the chapter 12EB. Consequently, all the penalty proceedings as applicable to any other assessee are also attracted in the case of such trust or institutions.
Sir, what are the prosecution provisions applicable to trust institutions under Section 276C and 276CC of the Income Tax Act?
Well, the Section 276C, where the registration of the trust or institution is cancelled or exemption is denied, prosecution proceedings under Section 276C may be attracted for willful attempt to evade the tax, which may lead to prosecution and imprisonment up to a maximum period of 7 years, depending on the amount sought to be evaded and imposition of the fine also. Section 276CC, where the trust or institution fails to furnish the return of income, prosecution proceedings under Section 276CC are attracted, which may also lead to the both imprisonment and fine.
Sir, we are truly grateful for your time and enlightening us on such an important topic. Your insights on the different provisions of exemptions have been immensely valuable. I am truly grateful to our esteemed viewers for their time and patience. Please reach out to our website incometax.gov.in for more information and educational content. Do follow us on our social media handles like X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and LinkedIn. Please keep watching Samvaad. Stay connected to us. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Namaskar.